Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials: a desktop browser, an alternate email, and optional VPN to avoid IP-based phone prompts. Open an incognito window and navigate to account creation. Fill name and date of birth accurately, then add a recovery email so Google has a link to verify identity. Use a strong, unique password. Write it down securely. Once done, skip the phone field if offered and move forward. Google may still allow creation without a number in many regions. Next, choose the option to use your current email instead of creating a Gmail address if that reduces phone prompts. This route often asks only for a recovery email. Complete the CAPTCHA carefully. This proves you are human and reduces the need for phone verification. Verify the recovery address by clicking the email Google sends. Do that promptly. Make sure cookies are enabled and avoid multiple fast attempts. Because repeated failures increase chances, Google will ask for a phone number to confirm you. To finish, confirm the recovery email, sign in, and immediately set up two-step verification using an authenticator app so you avoid phone-based 2FA later. Make sure your profile details look consistent to prevent future verification requests. If Google blocks creation or demands a phone, wait 24 to 72 hours and retry from the same IP and browser settings. Rapid switches trigger more checks. If problems persist, try a different device or use Google's account support form as a final trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.